In the new S-Class Cabriolet, we remove the side panel in the rear. We use the driver's side as an example. First, lower the window and move the front seat forward. Then remove the door sill. Then loosen the edge protection. Now, using an assembly wedge, unclip the trim strip between the upper and lower side panel. Then remove the 2 screws. Now the seatbelt of the B-pillar is next. Remove the screw of the lower mounting. Then carefully take out the seatbelt extender. And move the belt through the opening. Unclip the upper side panel towards the vehicle interior. In the next step, disconnect the electrical connector. Now you can remove the panel. Next, remove the rear bench seat. The 2 screws of the bracket are next. Remove these. The 2 airbag screws also come out. Now undo the fastening screw at the bottom. Remove this too. You can take off the panel. Caution: disconnect the plug of the antenna. Only then can the panel be completely removed. Installation is in the reverse order.